Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, comment and share. Here we deal with home appliances repair and maintenance. So we take you through small videos on how to repair, how to prevent, and how to install washing machines and other appliances. So today we're going to look at a digital inverter technology front load washing machine that is leaking water from the gasket here. The gasket is torn. So what we need to do, we are going to replace the gasket. Before we do that, cause of this is it's a wear and tear thing, but mostly when you're done with the washing and when you move your clothes, let's say like the jeans, sorry. So when you pull them, the force applied here, I know this is rubber, and let's say it has been washing on a program like cotton that uses some more hot water. The gasket is always loose, so when you pull it, it's prone to tear. So we get into it. We get our toolbox ready. So what you need to do, we are going to remove the the top panel to access the front panel. There are two screws here, normally 1 and 2. So we remove this and this, and then we remove the front panel. So once the top panel is out, we remove the dispenser. So to remove the dispenser, it's hidden here, push. So you just press in and remove your dispenser. Make sure to keep everything safe. After that, we're going to remove the two screws, this and this, the long screws, and then normally we have this and this here. We're going to remove them. Keep all the screws at one place so that you don't lose them. Quite rusted. So to pull the display panel, what you need to do, we'll use a flat. Just to unplug it, we'll use a flat screw. We get one. These are clipped, so to unclip them, you use a flat that way. So that is it. You can just flip it over to stay over there, or you can unclip it from here. Once you do that, we remove this and this screws. We have others down there that will be removed. But before we move those ones there, we'll remove the 3. We have 3 down here. One is here, another one here, another one here. And then we'll remove the gasket. So we start with the 3 down. Because of rust, we'll use anti-rust. So start from here. That's anti-rust. We also do the same to the 3 down there. As the screws absorb the the rust, what we do, we'll remove the wire around here that holds the gasket tight. So to remove the seal, the wire, you take a flat, and then there's always a spring around. To fill it, you just move the flat around. That's the spring. So what you do, you just hook it in there, and then you pull it out just like that, and the spring is out. Okay, put it somewhere, then you can easily remove the seal like this, push it inside, so that the time you are removing the front panel, it doesn't come out with the gasket. So that way. Use a flat to open here. And then you remove this plastic holder. So once all the screws are out, ensure the rubber gasket is in. Close the door. Hold it from here. Pull it up. Once you pull it up, you just pull it the other side because of the door switch. Just careful with the cable. So once that is done, we remove the bolts. Once the concrete is out, we unclip this, and then we remove this screw to remove the gasket. It's clipped, so we remove this. Once it's out, we unscrew that. There's a long screw here that we need to unscrew. Unscrew that. Use a flat to hook it there, and then you pull it out. Pull these out, it will come out with the rubber gasket. So as simple as that. That's how to remove it. Once you remove it, you can do some cleaning there. This is the new one. So this triangle shaped stuff gets here, goes here. So you take this clipper, this will go here. So you hook the duct here. Like that. Then clip this. Then you screw it back. The triangle thing comes here. That guides you when you are clipping back the rubber gasket. So hook back the wire. Ensure it's tight. Wait. turn the concretes.